When they marched onto the Lexington town green in the darkness just before dawn, the British soldiers found several dozen militiamen waiting for them. An officer ordered the men to disperse, and they began to mill around, some of them leaving. And then, just as the sun was coming up, a gun went off. No one knew who pulled the trigger: a soldier, a militiaman, a bystander, or even someone drinking in the nearby tavern. But the soldiers opened fire. When the locals realized the soldiers were firing not just powder as a warning, but lead musket balls, most ran. 8 colonists were killed, and another dozen, including enslaved militiaman Prince Estabrook, were wounded. The outnumbered colonists fell back, and about 300 regulars marched on Concord to destroy the guns and powder there. But news of the arriving soldiers and the shooting on Lexington Town Green had spread through the colonists' alarm and muster communication network, and militiamen from as far away as Worcester were either in Concord or on their way. By mid-morning, the regulars were outnumbered and in battle with about 400 militiamen. They pulled back to join the main body of British troops still in Lexington. Ralph Waldo Emerson would later call the Concord battle the shot heard round the world.